Hi all, greetings for the day. In this video we're gonna share you that how will you gonna check that whether your voice is active or not. So for starting, let me start with opening up our Explorer. So we'll open our Explorer first. Now we have opened our Explorer. Now as you all know that the default IP for our ONTs for a router is 192.168.1.1. Fine, as I've told you in my earlier video also कि आप हर वक्त जब भी IP एक्सेस करने की कोशिश करें that time kindly try it with Internet Explorer. So it is 192.168.1.1. ये हम अपने एड्रेस बार में जो वेब ब्राउज़र होगा उसके एड्रेस बार में हम लिखेंगे, then we'll click enter. एंड बिफोर दैट लेट मी क्लियर यू अगेन कि हमारी ये आईपी तभी एक्टिव होगी, हमारी आईपी तभी चलेगी व्हेन वी विल कनेक्ट टू द लोकल एड्रेस. As like if I wanted to access my ONT, I need to get connected with it, then only I can access 192.168.1.1. Fine. Now let me put in username. So as my username is admin, and now I'll put my password. This password may be set by your service provider or the person who have installed internet to your home. So you can kindly connect to your service provider, or you can either give them a call and ask them for the password. Now I'll put in verification code, that is QMM2. Now I'll log in. So this is the screen that you'll get post logging in. So as you can see his status, as I've already activated my voice and it's already active, it's working, my landline is working onto it. So I'll go to status first, then I'll go to WAN connection info. There as you can see that it is written voice. So it's this voice and the status is up. As you can see that it already have taken the IP address and net mask by itself. So here the voice is up, and I can see on my ONT there is a blinking light of phone. So if it's on, then voice is up. As I can even check out of this status WAN connection info, and here we can see that voice is up. Other method to check is that you'll go to status, then you'll open VoIP information, voice over internet protocol information. Here you can see that my service state is registered. The people whose voice means everybody whose voice is not active, their service state would be registering or not registered. So whenever your VoIP information states that your service state is registered, that means your voice is active, and now you can enjoy free calling to any of the network by this BSNL landline. Now how to activate your voice? Let me go to network first. We'll go to network. We'll go to voice. We went to voice. We'll go to connection name first. In connection name, we'll if I do not have voice thing, then I'll put in add new WAN connection. So I'll put in add new WAN connection. We'll go to mode. We'll make it route. Then we'll put it IPv4 as we were doing earlier also. Now we'll check DHCP. Post checking DHCP, we'll put enable VLAN. So all the services that is being activated by Solent Technologies Private Limited, we have kept VLAN ID for all the voices as 1830. Fine, so we'll put in VLAN ID as 1830. Now we'll click on 108.1.p as it will show a drop down menu. We'll select 7 out of it. So we'll select 7, MTU will be 1500. We'll keep it disabled. Now what we'll do is we'll change the service mode from internet to voice. Fine, now we'll turn off DHCP and we'll click on save and apply. So post save and apply, as we can see that in status this kind of thing will come up. voice. Earlier it would have been only internet if somebody won't have activated your voice. Now post activating your voice, you will get another drop down menu, that is voice. Here you can see whether it's up or down. Now as you can see that we have made another thing, voice, so we can check it, and these were the settings that we have done. Now what we need to do is we need to go to application. We'll go to application, we'll go to VoIP. Post this VoIP, every of the BSNL customer need to put these same IP addresses to their application VoIP. Fine, so we'll put, you can jot this down, that you need to put this IP address 192.168.149.78. so you'll copy this IP address to these addresses down below. SIP registered address you need to copy to primary SIP address you need to copy. Similarly, you need to copy it like this. Post copying it, what you need to do is you need to enable it. Post enabling it, here in your account number you need to put in your phone number that is being given to you by your service provider, or you may have received the mail from BSNL post your activation of your account. You may have got your phone number. So this is your phone number that you can see, 911352973660. That is my phone number that I have kept. So post putting account number, I'll put in account name and I'll put in account password. Now I'll put save and apply. Now as I can see, in my status WAN connection info, I can see my voice is up. I can see my VoIP information, it is registered, and this is my phone number. So this all I have in this video, that how you have checked that whether your voice is active. So in our next video we'll gonna share you how to change your SSID and password. Till then, have a very good life and take care. Thank you.